Baker's RV here coming to you with a very fresh arrival. It is a 2019 K-Z Spree. The model number is S333RLF. This, folks, is a 3-slided luxury couples unit. Essentially, very similar floor plan to a fifth wheel. Opposing slides out back for an awesome living area, and another slide for the king-size bed. Taking a look at it, outside laminate finish. We have frameless windows, power awning with LED lights, outside speakers. We've got a back ladder over here. I love that rack. It's good for wood or your coolers, whatnot. This is a 30 amp power connection, outside shower. This is underneath the bed. Check this out, folks. Check this out. What is this? How about a fully automatic leveling system? Power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. We got ourselves an automotive style front windshield with LED lights on that fiberglass front cap. Take a look at the lock that'll lock up all of your toys. All right, the outside does look great. Let's go in. No, we're not flying here, folks. We're not flying. That's just the automatic levelers doing its job. All right, you want to know the dry weight of this? Just under 8,200 pounds. Please make sure your truck can pull this. All right, let's just shut this door. Taking it all in. Opposing slides out back. I love it. It doesn't get any better. Folks, we got a Furrion fireplace that does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. Furrion stereo, Furrion TV. We have 4 chairs and a table. That table does extend, by the way. Out back, we got dual recliners. Look at all of the windows. Love it. This sofa does convert into a bed. And of course, because we have these opposing rear slides, you get yourself a center island. We got an ever-chill fridge. Looking good, looking good. It's already cold. Folks, it is a 2019. It is awesome. It's clean. It looks great. Couple small imperfections, though. I do want to point out, this doesn't stop the fridge from working properly. And I do see a little bit of a hairline crack right here in the countertop. Otherwise, wowzers. It looks fantastic. We have stainless steel sinks, 50/50, residential style faucet. Your high point microwave, 3-burner stove. That oven is bigger than most. Did I point out the pantry already? If I did, I'm doing it again. Skylight. Let's go down the hall. AC, heat controls. Bathroom up next. Yes, that is a porcelain toilet. Complete with a medicine cabinet. Love where they put that fan. All right, we've got the shower with a skylight. Look at the storage here, folks. Okay, master bedroom up next. Lots of windows. Check this out. Wow. We got ourselves a dance floor. That is a king-size bed, folks. In this slide, we got opposing windows for great cross ventilation. Out front, that automotive style front windshield. And take a look at this. This is in her closets. More drawers. For complete privacy, that door shuts, this door shuts. Love it, folks. I'm excited. This KZ product, you know, if you watch any of my videos, you know how I love Cedar Creeks, right? In my opinion, they're the best built fifth wheels out there. Riverstone, of course, is the big brother to Cedar Creek. You know, as good as they are, they only do give a 1-year factory warranty. This product here, folks, when it came out brand new, KZ was so confident, they gave it a full 2-year warranty and still do today. So if you buy a KZ Connect, they come with a 2-year warranty. This unit is awesome. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you guys soon.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.